Kosolka badan. Somali storytelling through laughter. Hey there, folks. Ever heard a story so funny you snorted your shaw out your nose? Well, get ready, because we're diving deep into the hilarious world of Somali storytelling, where laughter is the spice of life. Somali stories aren't just for giggles. They're sneaky social critics. Think of them as comedians with a cause, using satire to poke fun at everything from corrupt politicians to those relatives who always know best, even when they don't. Imagine a tale where a hyena becomes president. Sounds ridiculous, right? But through that absurdity, we might just see a reflection of real-world issues. It's like holding a mirror up to society, but the mirror is made of jokes. The Somali language is a playground for word nerds. Storytellers twist words, create puns, and use double meanings to add layers of humor. It's like a linguistic dance, where every step is a potential punchline. Remember that proverb, lack of news is like lack of fire? Imagine someone using that to complain about their boring neighbor. It's all about taking the familiar and making it funny. Somali storytellers are masters of exaggeration. They take ordinary characters and crank up their traits to 11. We're talking about characters so lazy, the ants are delivering their breakfast. This isn't just about being silly, it's about making the moral of the story stick. Who's going to forget the tale of the world's laziest man? Everyone loves an underdog, and Somali stories are full of them. Trickster characters outsmart the powerful and foolish, proving that brains beat brawn every time. Think of Dagtir, the fearsome ogress, constantly being outwitted. It's a reminder that intelligence and resourcefulness are valuable weapons. Life can be tough, but Somali storytellers find humor in the everyday struggles. Family squabbles, generational gaps, and the quirks of daily life become fodder for laughter. Ever seen an elder stubbornly clinging to outdated advice? That's comedy gold. It's about recognizing ourselves and our families in these stories. Kaftan, or lighthearted teasing, is a cornerstone of Somali humor. Characters playfully poke fun at each other, strengthening bonds instead of causing offense. Herders might joke about who has the laziest camel, turning the hardships of pastoral life into a source of comedic relief. It's all about finding joy in shared experiences. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Somali storytelling. Share these stories with your family, discuss the hidden meanings, and most importantly, laugh. Visit your local library, ask your elders for their favorite tales, and keep the tradition alive. Let's keep the laughter echoing through generations.